You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's find a phone number on Facebook. You cannot directly search for a person's phone number due to privacy. However, you can see your own number. Log into Facebook and click your profile icon. Select Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Click Personal and Account Information. Tap Contact Info. Here you will see your own phone numbers and emails. To find someone else's number, if they have added it to their public profile, go to their profile, click About, then Contact and Basic Info. If they've made their phone number public, it may appear there. Another method is if they have a business page. Sometimes a contact number is listed. Use the search bar to find the page. Remember, respecting privacy is important. Facebook does not allow scraping or bulk collection of phone numbers. If you are trying to recover your own number, the contact info page is your best resource. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's enable crossfade on Apple Music to blend your songs together smoothly. First, open the Apple Music app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Audio. Tap on Audio to reveal more sound settings. Here you will find the crossfade toggle switch. Simply turn this switch on. Once enabled, you can adjust the crossfade duration by using the slider below the toggle. Move the slider left for a shorter fade, like 1 second, or right for a longer fade, up to 12 seconds. Play a song. To hear how the end of one track seamlessly transitions into the beginning of the next. This setting applies to music you stream and also to songs you have downloaded to your library. The crossfade feature works on iPhone and iPad, but is not available on Apple Music for Mac computers. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.